Clever life. Life's better when it's clever. G'day, Ben here again from Clever Life. Life's better when it's clever. I'm here today to tell you about our Clever Life garage door and automatic gate controller. To put it simply, this guy attaches to your existing garage door controller motor or gate motor and converts it into a smart controller. So you can now operate your garage door away from home. That may sound a little silly until you have multiple children or people that you want to have access to your home. You can give them an account and a code, and they can now open and close doors as well. The standout feature of this device is the geofencing function, and that, put simply, is a GPS ring that is created around your property at a distance of 100 meters or greater. And as you approach or depart that ring via your phone GPS, the door will open and close. So you don't get home and wait for the door to open. The door is already opened as you approach the house. And if you forgot to close the door when you left, you can be guaranteed that it'll close for you. So we'll open the box up and have a look and see what we got. So inside we have our main controller unit. It's quite a neat little device. A couple of buttons on the front with LED lights in the back. We have a green and a yellow LED light that indicate the status of the controller. In behind this front panel, very easy to connect terminals. They're spring-loaded terminals, so you basically just push the wire in. And if the thought of wiring something scares you, don't. It's very simple. I'll grab some wire out shortly and I'll show you. I should mention too that the controller is compatible with 99.9% of existing motors and controllers. So you don't have to be concerned about that. In the box we have this neat little package of goodies. So we have our USB power supply that powers up the controller. Very simple plug and play type device. This guy simply plugs in to there, sits neatly in there, and you can generally plug this into the 240 supply where your garage door motor is already connected. The wiring that it comes with, this is the wiring that is used to connect to your existing controller. Very simply, we open it up and you would just push these guys straight into the terminals and it's done. Just like that. And the same would go for the other end of your motor, existing motor. Now it comes with some brackets here that we use for the sensor. Now this is the sensor. This is a wall type sensor. It does come with two sensors. I'll get to the other one shortly. The wall type sensor is used to indicate whether the door is open or closed. Touching would be closed and away from each other will be open. So as your door closes, obviously these guys are going to be close together, and that will give you a live indication on your device whether your door is open or closed. Very handy for some people that forget to close their door when they leave home. You've got a bag of mounting screws, plugs, some test wire, some 3M double-sided tape if need be for mounting the sensors. If it's a rental property or something like that, you don't necessarily want to screw into things. You can use the 3M double-sided tape as well. Now the other sensor that it comes with looks very much similar. However, it's designed more so for your gates and outdoor environments or environments that may be subject to heavy traffic. You may have seen these in industrial type buildings and whatnot. So this guy here will actually mount to the floor. It'll get screwed to the floor. I personally use this on my gate out the front. You can drive over it, you could drive a semi-trailer over that and nothing's going to happen. And it simply plugs into the sender, and you would tuck this away somewhere out of the weather. It is weather resistant, it's not waterproof. So I have this tucked into the motor control box at the gate. And it's the same device setting as the wall controller, where it's a magnetic proximity sensor and that is closed and then we are open. So the same type of principle happens. Easy to install, DIY installation. It's a very good set of instructions available in the box as well as on our website. We will be releasing an instructional video further with step-by-step instructions on the actual installation, live installation, but for now, that's it. Head out and buy one. And if you have any more questions, give us a call. Thanks.